In this lesson, we'll import images into a Photoshop document, and you'll start to understand the Layers panel. Download the asset from the assignment, double-click on the zip to open it up. It will create a folder with the assets in it. I'm using bowl number 1.png. For this assignment, you can use this one, or you can use bowl number 2.png. The other assets are a green apple, a red apple, a banana, an orange, and some playful action figures. So the first thing you need to learn how to do is to open up this image in Photoshop. Go to the dock and go to the launch pad. Click on the launch pad. In the search bar, write photo. And Adobe Photoshop should show. Let's click on that to open it up. Click on the button that says Open. Go to your desktop and click on the Asset 1 folder, and then select the bowl.png, and then click on Open. I'm going to import the first image. I'm going to drag it and drop it onto the preview area in Photoshop. Let's turn that layer off for now. Click on the eye to the left of the thumbnail on the apple green layer to turn that layer off. Let's go back to the folder and let's bring the red apple in to the design and drop it. Let's turn that layer off. Let's go back to the folder and let's take the banana and drag that into the preview area. Click on the eye to turn off that layer. In the folder, let's bring the orange into the preview area and turn the eye off on that one. The last image I'm going to bring in is an action figure. If we look at the layers panel, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. When we turn the layers on, it's like a cake, where the top of the cake is the icing. Underneath that is the outside of the cake, which is the orange underneath it. Underneath that is the filling of the cake. So the top layer is the closest one to us. The bottom layer is furthest from us. In the next lesson, we'll use the magic wand tool to remove the white backgrounds of each object on each layer. This lesson will continue in the next video.